In this video, I'm going to show you how to find lead in Subnautica 2. So you want to go between northeast and east at around 75. So if you look at my compass, it's going to say 75. So now you want to make your way underwater and begin making the way there. So here it is. So we're just going to be heading over to 75 just like so. And I also do want to apologize if my device is significantly laggy. Unfortunately, Subnautica 2 really does take a toll on my PC. So I really do appreciate if you guys are able to help out the channel. Also, guys, we are going to go around like 150-ish meters away from the light pod, so not too far away, but still a pretty decent distance. So keep on making your way over here, and then eventually you're going to notice that we're going to get some wreckage right over here. So here we got some wreckage, and you just want to make your way there, and you want to go inside of this like cave system. So you'll notice that there's going to be a cave system, and that's actually a current that is going to drag you along the path. And we also do have water bubbles and stuff like that that you're able to use for breathing. So you just want to keep on going over here, and then if you make your way out of the current, and then around the area, you should be able to go ahead and find some lead. And then from there, you're able to harvest it and use it for whatever you need. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.